Have you ever noticed, when some people walk into a room, everyone turns to look at them? They don't even speak much, yet their smile, their confidence, their presence, wins hearts instantly. And then there are others, kind, genuine, good-hearted, but they struggle to find the right words, conversations fade away, and people think, maybe this person is just boring. If you've ever felt invisible in a crowd, if you've ever wished people would listen, understand, and truly see you, this video is for you. Welcome to the Book Brief, where great books meet real-life transformation. Learn powerful lessons, boost your confidence, and grow every day. Subscribe now and start your journey to a smarter, happier you. Friends, the book we're going to talk about today isn't just a book, it's a life-changing communication guide that has helped millions of people around the world. Its name is How to Talk to Anyone, written by Leil Lowndes. Leil Lowndes is a well-known communication expert, motivational speaker, and social skills trainer who has spent her entire life studying how people connect, communicate, and build relationships. Through years of research, observation, and real-life experience, she discovered small but powerful tricks that can completely transform the way you talk to people. Leil says, the way you talk can change the way people see you. In other words, your words, tone, and presence have the power to shape the way the world perceives you. In this book, she doesn't just teach how to speak better, she teaches how to connect deeper. Whether you're shy, nervous, or socially awkward, the lessons in this book will help you become more confident, charismatic, and magnetic in every conversation. So get ready to uncover the magical secrets that show us how to not just talk, but truly build connections that last. 1. First impression is everything. People judge you within the first 7 seconds of meeting you. Your body language, smile, and eye contact speak louder than your words. Confidence isn't what you say, it's what you show before you speak. Example, imagine two people entering a job interview. The first one walks in nervously, looks down, and softly says, "Good morning." The second one walks in with a smile, looks the interviewer in the eyes, and says, "Good morning, sir. Great to meet you." Who do you think leaves a stronger impression? Lesson: always enter with confidence. Your smile, posture, and eye contact are your silent power. 2. Be interested, not interesting. Most people try too hard to impress others. But real charm lies in showing genuine interest in others. When you truly listen, people feel valued, and that's rare. Example, at a party, instead of talking about yourself, ask someone, "So what do you do?" When they reply, don't just nod, follow up with curiosity. "Wow, that sounds fascinating. What inspired you to choose that?" They'll walk away thinking you're amazing, just because you listened. Lesson: be a good listener. People remember how you made them feel, not what you said. 3. Eye contact builds connection. Eye contact creates trust. When you look into someone's eyes while talking, they subconsciously feel your honesty and confidence. Example, if you keep glancing away or at your phone, they'll feel ignored. But if you maintain calm, steady eye contact, they'll feel respected and connected. Lesson: maintain about 60 to 70% eye contact during conversations. It's a silent sign of confidence. 4. Mirror people's body language. When you subtly mirror someone's gestures, tone, or energy, their subconscious mind says, "This person is like me." That's how emotional bonding begins. Example, if someone is speaking softly, don't shout, match their calm tone. If they're full of energy, show a little enthusiasm too. Lesson: read their energy and respond accordingly. Connection happens when you are in sync. 5. Use the power of a name. A person's own name is the sweetest sound to their ears. Using someone's name makes the conversation warm and personal. Example, when a barista says, "Here's your coffee," it's nice. But when they say, "Here's your coffee, Shraddha," it instantly feels friendlier. Lesson: use names naturally, it creates trust and emotional closeness. 6. Small talk leads to big connections. Many people hate small talk, thinking it's meaningless. But small talk is actually the bridge to deeper relationships. Example, In an elevator, you smile and say, "Nice weather today, isn't it?" That tiny line could start a conversation that turns into friendship, partnership, or love. Lesson: never underestimate small talk. It's how big bonds begin. 7. Give genuine compliments. Everyone loves appreciation, but only when it feels real. Fake flattery pushes people away, but a heartfelt compliment wins hearts. Example: instead of saying, "You look great," say something sincere like, "Your smile brings such positive energy to the room." It feels real and unforgettable. Lesson: say only what you truly feel. Authenticity shines brighter than fake charm. 8. Make people feel important. Every human being has one secret desire: to feel valued. When you make others feel important, they naturally like you and remember you. Example: even greeting the security guard outside your building with, "Good morning, sir. How are you doing today?" can make his entire day better and show your genuine kindness. Lesson: respect everyone, from the CEO to the cleaner. Real class is treating all people equally. 9. Smile, but with your eyes. Leil Lowndes says, "A real smile isn't just with the lips, it's with the eyes." Smiling only with your mouth can look formal, but when your eyes smile too, people instantly find you warm and trustworthy. Example: when you meet someone in an interview or meeting, don't just give a small polite smile, smile with your whole heart. The warmth in your eyes radiates positive energy. Lesson: practice your eye smile. It makes your presence magnetic. 10. The flooding smile. If you smile instantly the moment you see someone, it can feel rehearsed. But if you pause for a second before smiling, it feels like that smile appeared especially for that person. Example: imagine you are at an event. Someone walks toward you. First, you glance lightly, then you give a soft, genuine smile. That person subconsciously feels you're truly happy to see them. Lesson: a slowly blooming smile touches the heart. 11. Listen 70%, speak 30%. Most people try to impress others with their own words, but real magic happens when you let others express themselves. Example: when someone is talking, don't interrupt. Use small responses like, "I see," or "that's interesting." It makes them feel their words matter to you. Lesson: every great communicator is first a great listener. 12. The power of empathic responses. Sometimes people share their problems, and we immediately start giving solutions, which can feel cold. But if you acknowledge their emotions first, they instantly connect. Example: someone says, "I had a really bad day." You reply, "Really? Sounds like it was a rough one." That small empathy creates a deep connection. Lesson: don't always reply, sometimes just feel. 13. Never break the flow. When someone is speaking passionately and you change the subject or look at your phone, the bond breaks. Conversation is like a dance, the flow must stay smooth. Example: if someone is sharing their experience and you suddenly ask, "By the way, when did you get married?" they'll feel you weren't really listening. Lesson: keep the conversation smooth, respect lives in every pause. 14. Don't brag, let them discover. Leil says, people who talk about their achievements sound arrogant. But those who show their qualities subtly through actions seem classy. Example: if someone asks, "What do you do on weekends?" instead of saying, "I go to the gym and run marathons," say, "A short morning run keeps me energetic all day." Simple, humble, yet powerful. Lesson: you don't need to shout your greatness, people will feel it themselves. 15. Body language speaks before words. Your posture, walk, and gestures are silent messengers of your confidence. If you walk slouched or fold your arms, people see you as closed off. Example: when talking to someone, keep your shoulders straight, lean forward slightly, showing genuine interest. Lesson: open body equals open heart. Confidence isn't shown, it's felt. 16. The exclusive smile trick. Leil explains, when you're in a group and you smile at just one person, they feel as if you noticed only them in the entire room. It's a subtle trick that creates instant liking. Example: During a group meeting, when someone says something funny, wait a moment and then smile directly at them. They'll subconsciously feel a friendly, special connection. Lesson: smile at everyone, but at one person, just a little more. Connection begins there. Rainbow 17. Make people feel like stars. Every person wants to be heard, appreciated, and understood. When you sincerely acknowledge even small achievements, they remember you for life. Example: someone says, "I spoke in public for the first time today." You reply, "Wow, that's a big step, it takes courage." That small line boosts their confidence instantly. Lesson: great communicators make others feel great. 18. Connection over perfection. People don't remember perfect words, they remember real emotions. A little mistake or hesitation can even seem charming, if you're honest. Example: if you accidentally drop something while talking, laugh and say, "Oops, I'm a little clumsy today." That moment doesn't feel awkward, it feels human. Lesson: don't try to impress, make people feel that you're real, not a machine. Communication isn't just a skill, it's an art. Only what comes from the heart can truly connect. So don't just talk, create connection. People might forget what you said, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. So in every conversation, leave a little love, a little positivity, and a little respect. Sometimes, we think communication is all about speaking well, but this book taught us something deeper. Real communication isn't about speaking, it's about connecting. When you truly listen to someone, when your smile carries warmth, when you make people feel seen and valued, you don't just talk, you touch lives. Leil Lowndes beautifully reminds us. People may forget what you said, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. So next time you speak, don't try to be perfect, just be real, be present, and be kind. Because the real magic begins where words end and connection begins. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the wisdom hidden in powerful books like this. And remember, communication isn't a skill you're born with. It's a magic you can learn, practice, and master. Let's grow together, one conversation at a time.